Hi beautiful people, today I'm going to be reviewing these shoes and we're going to be judging them by three criteria. One is how comfortable they are, two, would I buy them again, and three, is it worth the money? So stay tuned and we'll take a look, and at the end I'll be showing you more shoes that I'll be reviewing. I hope you enjoy this review. Please like this video and subscribe. This really would help my channel a lot. So if you want to encourage me to make more of these, please like it and stay tuned for more.